So today I'm doing making. I'm just making some greetings cards with some polystyrene. So I've basically taken a fork, which I've now used for my paint, to stir it, and I've just indented the shape of the flower using the fork to do those edges. But you could do, if you wanted to, a cat, you could do many different things. So yeah, just don't press it in obviously too hard so that it goes through to the other side, because then you wouldn't be able to use it. So yeah, that's my kind of lotus flowery type thing I'm going to use. So I'm just using a paintbrush to paint onto the polystyrene as thinly as possibly can with the orange paint, and then what I'm going to do is press it against the white paper greetings card that I brought, and just press it down really lightly, like I'm doing with my head in the way here. But yeah, I'm just literally pressing the polystyrene against the paper and leaving the print, as you can see.